Finding myself in a position now where we're making more money than we've ever made, and we are literally the brokest we've ever been.
But I'm making the most money I ever had my entire life. My husband and I, between the two of us, gross, make like over $80,000 a year. And if you told me a few years ago that $80,000 a year was not going to be enough for a family of four.
I make more than what I made back in 2015. But I am still literally living paycheck to paycheck.
I have to work 60 hours a week and make $80,000 a year to make ends meet. That's insane. I can't even begin to wrap my head around it.
Financially, I don't understand anymore. I don't understand how I make $34 an hour and I can't function. I can't function. I can't pay my bills.
Shouldn't be struggling. We make enough money that I shouldn't be struggling.
What is the point? What am I working for? What have I got 2 jobs for? What am I going to school for? Because it feels like there's no winning this rat race, and I'm still going to be struggling no matter what I do.
$6,600 day we've done. And in September, we've done $34,000. Hi, I'm Nathan Bokkers, co-owner of the Wealth Warriors. And we didn't always have days like this. Back in 2021, I was your off-highway log truck driver, working 12 to 15-hour days, hauling logs from the bush to the mill. I was just like you, struggling pay to pay. It wasn't until my kids asked me, "Daddy, why do you work so much?" And that hit me like a ton of bricks. I was spending 12 to 15 hours a day away from my kids and my wife so I could work paycheck to paycheck just to survive. I knew I had to make a change. So in 2021, I hopped online, decided to learn some new high-income skills, and in just 5 months, I was able to quit that full-time off-highway log trucking career. In just 5 months. And now we're helping students like Brittany earn $1,500 in a single day. Not including that, but we have a whole community of support who people really want to see you succeed. Not including that, our own student Jessica, who's done over $25,000 in the last 2.5 months with us. And since we launched our program on December 19th, 2022, we've done over $442,000 with our own product. And we've paid out over $275,000 to our affiliates. So if you want to learn how ordinary people just like you are finally breaking free and being able to live the life they want to live, I want you to comment Warriors down below and I'll personally reach out to you and get you started. Have a great day.